need to declare the columns. So dt dot columns dot add. So how many columns here? This is title, right? So title, commentary, and workers commentary. This is not company, right? Commentary. COMM entry. Commentary. COMMENTARY commentary. Okay, this is project. Table name is title. Okay, company, I am putting the company. So title, commentary, worker 1, worker 2. This is the column. So I need to create the columns like that. So in project, in double quote, title, end of the column. Like that, just I am copying those things. Control C. Title, commentary, worker 1, worker 2. I have added these columns here. Like that, I am just copying these things, and here I am pasting. Just copy, Control C, Control V. Here T1, 1, 1, 1. How many columns? Here detail 1, detail 2, and job number. Detail 1, detail 2, and job number, right? Yeah. Job number, detail 1, detail 2. Delete. So I am putting the debug mode here and run the project. Now just hit the save file like that and press F10. Now go to view the data set here. So I have the 4 columns here in company and job details. Okay, now I am adding those records. So now I am undo these lines. So I have the column name, title, equal to text box 1 dot text, and just copy those records. Control C, Control V, Control V. Control V, Control V. How many columns? 4 columns, right? So I am changing the columns. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control V. This is text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, and text box 4. Now I'm saving the record. After that, ts dot tables company dot rows dot add here row. Now I'm saving the project and executing the project. Company name, title I put anything here, and worker here. I hit the button, so I didn't put the debug mode here, so I putting the debug mode. Now I hit the button and press F10. Now go to the DS, hit here, so I got the details into particular this company, under the company, and job details I didn't do anything. Now I will do. Now like that I'm just copy those record, Control V here, which this is row 1 here, job details 1 3 columns, so just I'm removing this, delete job details here. Now one more thing, column name should be number, details 1, details 2, here also row 1, but it will be stored in this particular grid view only. So now for each here data grid view row or in data grid view 1 dot rows. So I am trying to loop how many rows in there in data grid view. It will be automatically do like that. Okay, how many rows it will be loop the times. So Control X, and inside the for each loop I placed it. Data row 1 equal to new dot new row. After that, row 1 equal to column 1 here, or dot cell 0 dot value to string. Control C, Control V, 1 2, save. Now I am executing the project. So before that I am put debug mode here. So title something, commentary, worker 1, worker 2, job 1, details, add 2 details, add. Now I hit the save file as F10. F10. Now I go to this DS. So company, I have company. Job details, I have 2 details. Now this perfectly comes here. Okay, now I need to export this data into XML. Okay, so I will how to export this data to XML data table to DS to data table. Now I will teach. Okay guys, now I need to export the XML right now. So ds dot write XML. Here which path I need to write? Just time equal slash data dot XML. I need to export this path. Okay, just I save the program and run the project. Now I need to title welcome and commentary, nothing to hide. Now worker 1 and worker 2. After that, and job number, I need to put job number 1 and name where this is my name, add and job number 2. Good. Google, Yahoo. Now add it. Now click export file here. So it exported successfully. Now you have to go to see E drive data. Here you will see like that. Now open those records. Open which notepad. Just I'm opening using the notepad. So now you will see the records. This is company table name, title column name, I have welcome and commentary, nothing to hide, and worker 1 and worker 2, and company is closed. Job details, job 1, job number 1, job number 2, job number 3, like that. Okay, now I want to load the project file. Load project file from XML. Okay, now load the project file from XML. So now what can I do? First of all, I am declare data set ds equal to new data set ds dot read XML. Here I am writing the same path here. Control C, Control V. Same path here. Now putting the debug mode here and run the project. Now I click load the project from XML file. Now press F10. Now I am going to view this data set. Now I am reading those details from data set here. Now what can I do? I need to pass this data to a particular field. Okay, so text box 1 dot text equal to ds dot tables equal to my table name is company, right? company dot company cell company dot rows 0 dot 0 dot 0 to string. Like that, I'm just Control C, Control V, Control V and Control V. Here I'm just changing 2, 3 and then 4. Here 1, 2 and then 3. Save. Now I'm executing the project. So just I click the load from the file. I'm getting the details from this record. Now I need to pass this record to grid view also. So again I'm inserting for each. Go to insert recipient, Visual C# for each. Press enter. It will create the syntax for each. Here data row item is not a problem. Here which table it was, company, job details. Dot rows. Here data grid view 1 dot rows dot add. I'm putting int n equal to, and now data grid view 1 dot, like that already we written these kind of things, right? Where here is that. Just copy these things and paste it here. Item dot column 0 to string. Control V. Here change 1 and 2. Here you want them here you want them, you can put the column name also, which column we need to get, like that 0, or else you can put the particular column name. Control C, Control V and Control V to Control S. Now I am run the program. Just I click the load project file from XML. So I got the details right here. So one more thing, I want to edit or delete options. Now I will teach how to edit and delete and all. Now I click here. So I need to change properties and selection mode. I am going to selection mode. I am choosing here full row select. So why I am choosing the full row select? I am load from project, so it will select full row. Before that it will select particular cell. Now I am click anywhere, it will select full row. Okay, now go to here in event sections. In event section I am selecting mouse double click event. There it is. Cell column, mouse double click event. Yeah, mouse double click it. Here just press enter. Here it will create the event for you. This event I am writing text box 5 dot text equal to data grid view 1 dot selector rows dot selector row 0 dot cell dot 0 dot value to string. Now I am copy this line. Here I am just changing text box 6 and then 7, cell 1, cell 2. Just save and execute the project. Now I am load from project. Yeah, just unclick. Why, what happened? Oh, mouse double click, right? So load from project. I am double click here. So I need to change here mouse click event because it's not perfect. So mouse click. So just copy this records once again and paste it. Save and run. Load from file and just select. It will change. Now I want to edit this record. So I will change anything and click edit. It will be edited. Okay. So go to this edit button. Here just copy these lines, control and paste it. Hide those records. Here I am typing selected row cell value equal to text box 5 dot text. It will be interchanging those records. Now I am copying these values, Control C and Control V. Here I am changing the cell value to 1 and 2. Here 6 and 7. So I know these values right now. Delete it and save it and run project. Just load from the file here. Load from the file. Here I am typing. Click here. Just I am changing to VEL and click edit. It will change here, but it won't save the previous data like XML data. Once I hit the save file as XML here. Now go to see the XML file right now, where E drive data, open as notepad. See, it's way it's changed. Okay, now close the project and run the project and load from XML file. It will change perfectly. Now I made it edit also, like I made it to delete also. Now I am try to make a delete also. So design delete, data grid view one dot rows dot remove, here I am choosing row index, right? Selected row dot index, remove using remove at row index. Now I am run the project and load from file. I need to remove this record, click delete, so it's removed, and click save. Okay, now close the project and run once again and click load file here. Now is successfully edited, deleted record. Okay guys, I think I done all those things. So I made it add and edit and delete as well as save as well as load. Okay guys, meanwhile any queries or doubts comes in, you have to feel free to ask and give your like that flowchart, any flowchart like that, which output you want, I will make it for you. Okay, you can add many more records and keep watching my videos. Any doubts, then feel free to ask me.